Now, the first activity is a scaled-down version of one of Rowan's signature events, which has evolved into a cause all of its own, healing hearts through the power of music.
So Heartstrings, we've been doing this particular event for about the last 3 years, healing hearts with the power of music. And we take a group where they will build these guitars. They build the guitars from a kit, and then they decorate them to whatever theme they feel appropriate. A lot of the members that we give to the military, we also give to children with chronic illnesses, and a lot of first responders now as well. So we're really excited about this program because, again, healing hearts with the power of music. But in these crazy times, we've had to be able to adapt. And this right here is our ukulele, or what we're going to call You Can Do It. So it is a partnership with Heartstrings Foundation to provide the gift of music to therapy programs, children's hospitals, and art programs. So each kit comes with all the supplies needed to build and design a beautifully customized ukulele. We facilitate the fun and the goodness, and you make the music.